With its quality build, powerful gas hob, and innovative features, this dual-fuel range cooker from Stoves has everything you need to create amazing meals for friends and family. It has 3 cavities, including 2 fan ovens and a separate grill. The main fan oven has a medium-sized 54-litre capacity, and the second has a large 87-litre capacity. So there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a larger household or like to host lots of dinner parties. There are 5 burners on the hob, ranging from 4 different sizes. This is great when you want several pans bubbling away at the same time. The Wok Burner is perfect if you enjoy cooking fresh food fast. The large ring delivers an intense, concentrated, powerful flame to the bottom of your pans for quick and even cooking. So whether you're deep frying or steaming, the versatile Wok Burner is the perfect choice. Incredible Equiflow fan technology from Stoves creates an even temperature from the top to the bottom of the main oven. A fan at the back of the cavity quickly spreads hot air, meaning your food always cooks evenly, no matter which shelf it's on. And because the heat is always moving, the flavors from different foods won't mix together. Now you can bake a fresh loaf of bread while cooking your evening meal and still get delicious results every time. Create amazing meals for friends and family thanks to the innovative features on this dual-fuel range cooker from Stoves.